received my MacBook Pro in the post this morning. So this video is just going to be an unboxing of my new MacBook, which I'm very excited about. It came this morning and I was working today, so I had to wait until now to even open it. So let's just get into it. Missing someone. So I've ordered the MacBook Pro 13-inch in the space grey colour. I'm gonna put up all the details just here because I honestly haven't a clue. This is just gonna be like an unboxing video. I'm not getting into the specs and all that because I haven't a clue what I'm talking about. I'm just going to open it now. How satisfying is that? Before I open it, I am upgrading from the MacBook Air from mid-2014, so it's a good upgrade. I was editing on my MacBook Air and it just started going really slowly whenever I was trying to edit, so I really just wanted to upgrade. And I've heard that the MacBook Pro is the best for editing. I'd actually ordered the MacBook Air 2020 and then I went on YouTube and started looking at all these unboxing videos and everyone was saying that it's absolutely awful for editing, so I cancelled my order and I got this one instead, and I'm just hoping it's a good investment. So oh my god, it's so pretty. I really hope I don't drop this. So I'm gonna just start with what's in the box. So in the box you have your manual, you've got your plug and your charger and the lead obviously for the charger as well. And inside here I've heard that there's stickers and they're in the space grey colour. Just get all the boring stuff out of the way first. Oh my god, this is so satisfying. This is it. It is absolutely beautiful. So happy already. And it turns on itself. I've watched so many of these unboxing videos, so I know what's gonna happen. So it's just loading up. So my new MacBook has the touchpad on it and it's also got Touch ID. So I'm really excited about that because with the touch bar, when you're editing, you can actually like drag your finger along, and I just think that's going to make things so much easier. And the Touch ID as well is going to make my life a lot easier just for not having to type my...
English is the main language. Press the return key.
Just for not having to put my password in every single time. This is the pretty boring stuff, it's just the initial setup. I hate how the UK is always at the very bottom. Always takes so long. So United Kingdom. Wonder, can I skip this? I need to go get the Wi-Fi password. BRB. I'm not going to transfer any of my information now just because I want to set it up as a new MacBook because my last one has just got so much crap on it that I don't want it on this one. So yeah, the main reason I wanted to upgrade to the Pro was because my storage on my MacBook Air wasn't the best. Like, I had my MacBook Air for uni, which was great. Like, I wasn't really using it for anything else except typing up notes and just using it for Netflix and stuff like that. So it wasn't until I started actually editing videos and stuff that I actually started to need the storage. So I was gonna go for the 256 gigabytes one because my last one was only 128. I think it was quite a low storage, which is all I really needed for uni. But I got the 512 just for that extra bit. So I actually got my MacBook for a bit cheaper. I used uni days, so I think I got like £100 off or something. Now the only thing with that is you can't get it on finance, you do need to pay it in full. So I'm now just having to create a password for my laptop. Probably wasn't the best place to film. I'm absolutely sweating. I'm in the sunroom, conservatory, whatever you want to call it, and it is actually so warm. I'll wait till this is all set up and then I'm going to compare this laptop to my MacBook Air just to see the differences. So I will show you actually. So you have, I'm so scared of dropping this. You have the touch bar along the top, and then in the top right you've got your touch ID, which is gonna make things so much easier. And I'm gonna compare the weight of them, I think. I'm gonna get rid of all this rubbish. I'm actually making a mess already. So the MacBook Pro is actually smaller than this MacBook Air, as you can see. I was not expecting that at all. I just assumed that the Pro was going to be bigger. They're both 13 inch as far as I know, but that one's a little bit smaller. To be honest, I think they're about the same sort of weight. I was expecting the Air to be a lot lighter, but it's actually not. So I'll just turn them around so you can see the differences. I need to move that box out of the way. So obviously I went for the space grey, and I'm so happy I did. Like, my phone's the space grey one as well. Just because I've had this silver laptop for a couple of years now, I just wanted a change. And as you can see, the trackpad is a lot bigger on the Pro. It's just so like compact and cute. Like, it's actually adorable. I actually keep scraping it off the other one.
I just want to make you all aware to be really careful with this laptop. I've chipped it in 2 places already by knocking it off my other MacBook. Please get a case for it and try to be extra careful because the metal is really soft.
But yeah, the one thing about the Pro is it doesn't have your USB ports. This one has the 2 wee ports at the side. I can't remember what they call it. Is it USB-C? That is a complete guess. I have no idea if that's what you call it, but I'm gonna need to order one of those wee adapter things, so if I want to plug anything into it. Luckily at the minute I'm just filming on my iPhone, so I can just airdrop all my files onto the laptop. But if I eventually get a camera, I'm gonna obviously need to get an adapter just so I can move all the files across. Hey Siri, show my downloads. Said it'll be Hey Siri. Hey Siri, what's the weather like? I'm assuming it's just like trying to recognise my voice. So that's my Siri ready, apparently. I've got this dirty already. One thing that annoyed me was I went on to Amazon and I was trying to get like a clear case for it, and it doesn't look like they've made any for this model yet. Like, because it's the 2021, I think it's only been out for a couple of months now, so they've not actually made any cases for it. There's ones for the Air but not the Pro, and that's kind of scaring me because I'm the type of person that's going to drop it. Do you know what? I'm just going to come back after I set all this up because it's taken ages. Okay, so that's me all set up. I have chosen to go with dark mode. I use dark mode on everything. I just think it looks so much more like aesthetic. I just really like the dark mode on it. Honestly, like, from first looking at it, it just looks exactly the same as my last one. I'm really excited to see what iMovie's going to be like with the higher performing processor. But yeah, this is just what the home screen looks like. I will probably do a customizing video of just what I'm going to do to customize this laptop, and I think I'm going to do like a week review on it just to give my honest opinion on this laptop after I've been using it for a week. Like, obviously I can't really say yet like what I think about it because I haven't actually had the chance to even play about with it. So yeah, that is everything. I think, not gonna lie, I think that I have wrecked the screen already. There's like thumbprints on the side and they're not rubbing away, so I'm actually really scared that I've damaged the screen already, and it would just be my luck that I would do something like that.
So I still don't know the story behind what's happening with the screen, but one thing I did find that helped was using a microfiber cloth just to try and wipe away the thumbprints, and it did reduce it a bit.
That is everything. Thank you for coming along with me on my journey of unboxing my new baby. I am so happy with it. It's literally the most nice looking laptop I have seen. I'm so glad I got the space grey, and I really hope I can get a case soon because I just know I'm going to wreck it. So that is everything for today. It would mean so much to me if you could click the like button below and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye! I hope that it's going to make my life a lot easier. Oh my god. This is the problem with not having a camera and using your phone and trying to set up something. Every single time I'm trying to do something that's trying to verify it through my phone,